This is my final legacy PCB appliance. So when they came, I was able to pick them up in this package. So once you take one of them out, this is what the PCB looks like on its own without anything in it. So as you can see, we have the 5-volt regulator, we have the power jack, the button, we have all the resistors, capacitors, diode, and the LEDs right there. So this is what it looks like on the front, this is what it looks like on the back. So once I soldered everything onto it, which took me a while, this is what I ended up with. So this is my final legacy PCB appliance with the varying resistors going on here. And then we have the button, the push button right here, that pushes in. We have the DC power jack, we have the capacitors, we have the diode, and what you would do to put it in is you would insert the LEDs into one of these columns, push the button, and then the light would turn on. Unfortunately, my legacy PCB was not working. The reason for that is because my LEDs were oriented incorrectly as I messed up on Eagle, and there was no power going through. What I did check is I used a DMM to find where the problem was, and I did have 5 volts coming out of the 5-volt regulator, which was good, but that power was not being supplied through the resistors to the LEDs, which was not oriented through ground, so it didn't end up working. If this were to work, this is what it would look like. So when I push the button right here, the LED would turn on, and if I were to put it in any of the other sockets, it would turn into a different resistance. Unfortunately, it did not work.